Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price was continuously moving in the particular range, and after that particular range made a low, and from there it is continuously trading on the upper side. Okay, if you look at the chart from 2-3 days, we have seen that this after this particular range has break upside, we have seen that it has moved up. Look at the chart. Okay, now see, if we look at the chart and analyze, then you can understand here that it has made a low of around 1761. Keep this in mind. Okay, and if we look at the other support and the other low coming at on 1765. Okay, so this is the particular range break upside, and we have seen a high of around 1786. Okay, 1786. Okay, and why this 1786? If we look at the chart, because this range has break upside and from there it has moved. Okay, so 1761 it has made a low. Okay, this is why I'm telling you this, because this support is only tested here once, because whenever if the price hit from there, then this has become a support. It has become a support and a strong support. So if the price come again at this level, then there is a probability that it can bounce back again from this level. But if it comes third time, then there is a probability that it can break this point. Okay, as of now, that is why I have told you to keep this 1761 as a strong support. Keep this in mind. Okay, so now I'm showing a chart from December. Okay, if we look at the chart from December, we have seen that there is a sharp fall, made a low of around 1761. Okay, and from there we have seen that it is moving slowly upside, but it is moving. Okay, and made a high of around 1786. Okay, 61 to 86, that means around $20 movement we have seen, more than $20 movement we have seen in the price of gold. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. You can watch the full video, then only you will understand how this technical in gold is working. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. As well as I provide workshop. If you want to attend technical and fundamental regarding this options as well as on the gold, you can mail me, so we can arrange the workshop according to your time or my time. Okay, see, now look at the chart. If we look at the chart, this is the particular range break upside and downside. We have seen that is continuously falling, and we have seen this is the pattern it was creating, and once this pattern break upside, we have seen there is a movement on the upside. Okay, so now what we can see in the coming week, see, now we have seen that it is moving in this particular zone, and the zone high is at around 1786, and a low of that particular zone is around 1780. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 1784. Okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1785 point. Okay, 1-2. Once if the price sustain above this level, then chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 1788, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1790. And this 1790 is already tested, so chances what we can see, it can go further upside to a level of 1792, and from there we can see a level of 1794.73. okay, this is the point. If it stays above a level of 1786, we can see that it can go and touch a level of 1794, because before, if it goes above a level of 17, see a level of 1791.8, and from there we can see if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1794.42 something. Okay, but suppose if the price goes above this level, because these levels are already tested. If you look at the chart, this is not the support which is tested. If the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1794.42, and this level is already tested here, so chances we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1796, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1798.7. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1799.5. okay, once this level is sustained above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1803.4. once this level is crossed upside, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1808. okay, and once this level is crossed upside, means if this level is touched upside, then we can see further upside in the price of gold. okay, suppose if the price sustain above a level of 1808, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1812, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1815. okay, because this 1812 is already is a big resistance, so probability is there that if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1815.17. so okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then there is a probability that we can see this particular range will be break upside, and we can see it can go and touch a level of 1836. so keep this in mind. If the price sustain above a level of 1821, we can see a level of 1836. okay, probability is there because this is the particular range which will break upside, and we can see that it can go and touch a level of 1821 to 1822, and if this level cross upside, more upside, then we can see a level of 1836 very soon. okay, and suppose if the price sustain up this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1844, and from there we can see a level of 1848. okay, so once, and I've already told you that if the price sustain above 1844, we can see further upside movement. You can check my previous video where I explained you that where if the price goes above this level, where all it can go. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 1781.21. okay, and this levels are already tested, so chances are high we can see a level of 1778. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1776. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 1774, and from there we can see a level of 1772. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 1769.38, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1766. okay, and once this level is crossed downside, what again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain a level of what is trading at 1782 point something, okay, 1782.83, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1781.21. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 1778.84, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1776.08. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1774.51, and from there it can go and touch a level of 1772.14. okay, and if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1769. okay, and didn't sustain that level, it can go and touch a level of 1769, and from there we can see a level of 1766. suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1764.05. okay, and from there we can see once this level is crossed down, so that means if it comes close to 1768, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1766.42, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 1765.423, and this is a strong support if the price didn't sustain this level, or we can see a bounce back from this level once 1765.3, and if suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 1762.87, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1761. Here that a support is coming 1762. okay, so if the price goes below a level of 1767, then there is a probability we can see a level of 1765, and if it didn't sustain 1765, then probability is there it can go and touch a level of 1762.7. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 1761.4. okay, and suppose if the price sustain if the price comes close to this level, and this level is only tested once, so chances are high we can see a bounce back. okay, and if the bounce back comes again at this level, then we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of, so it can go further low and can touch a level of 1758. so once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can go further downside. Okay, and if the price goes below this level, you can check my previous video where I categorically explain that if the price goes below 1758, we can see it can go and touch above 1752 also. And I have told what all the supports are there. So any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.